Now I'm gonna talk about the business layer. The business layer is a Windows web service that we work on it. First, each business layer server, when it comes up, it first tries to see what's happening and how many queues are online. So it tries to list the queues and see what queues are for business and what queues are for the lock. After it will store the URL of each of these queues and put them in public static strings. After a timer tick for each service, it's about 1 second, it will see that if the queues are still working, and then will make an object of the auction class, the auction process class. The auction process class consists of the main methods, which is the processing system. In the processing, the message from the queue, a number of messages from the queue will be retrieved, and depending on what is in those messages, they are going to be separated. So the business layers are going to work on the message that are about auctions, about enrolling auctions, and about the bids. And after they're separated, each of them are called their respective functions. We wanted to work with multi-threading, but we don't have enough time to implement multi-threading in this part. The thing with the bidding is, first, from the messages, the program will check which of the messages are for a specific auction and put them on a separate storage area. Then we'll process the highest bidder, but before accessing the data access, it needs to contact the semaphore, the locking gateway, and we'll put a request on that queue. Then it's a first in first out system, and when the gateway gives permission, the computer can write for that auction, that specific auction, on the database, as you can also see it on the PowerPoint and PDF file that we attached to the email.